Hi, I'm already here in 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences. And let me just show you the construction update as well as the vicinity of 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences. Hi, this is MC, your experienced realtor, and slowly bumabalik na po tayo sa normal and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy na po and meron na po tayong mga friends and colleagues na bumabalik na sa kanilang offices which are located sa Makati, sa Ortigas, and even sa BGC. And nagkakaroon na rin po tayo ng mga inquiries wherein naghahanap po sila ng mga properties na malapit sa location na po ito. And madalas na ino-offer ko or pinipresent ko is yung project namin sa Mandaluyong. One of the advantage of getting a property sa Mandaluyong is that it has lower price per square meter compared pag kumuha ka sa loob ng Makati, sa Ortigas, and sa BGC. So, ang project ng DMCI Homes na malapit or accessible sa Makati, Ortigas, and sa BGC is yung 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences. This is not a new project, but then this is a pre-selling project ng DMCI Homes, which is one of our fast-selling projects since that it is in the center of these three central business districts. So, let us learn more about 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences. But before we go on with the project presentation of 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences, if you wish to keep updated in regards DMCI Homes projects, not just 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences, please subscribe, and your likes and comments are also greatly appreciated. So, 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences is located along M. Vicente Street, Mandaluyong City. So, yung M. Vicente Street po ay yung former Dansalan Street. We actually have a previous or an old project dun sa area which is yung Dansalan Gardens. So, if you are familiar with that project, please comment down below. Also, I have to mention that 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences is very accessible since that malapit siya sa Borne Avenue, and this is just around 450 meters away from the Borne MRT station. Let's go to the location and let's see yung actual construction site ng 𝐤𝐿 Garden Residences. This is one of our fast-selling projects since this is in the center, or this is accessible to 3 major business districts, which are Ortigas, Makati, and yung BGC. Yung isa sa mga value proposition nito is yung key access points. I've been mentioning and I would like to emphasize na napaka-prime ng location ng 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences. I'll show you yung location map as well as yung key places of interest nito. Yung most common question sa akin sa subject ng location ng 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences is that ma-traffic po ba sa area? So, hindi po ako magsisinungaling sa inyo. Siyempre po, meron po tayong mga times na ma-traffic siya, especially pag peak hours, kung saan marami pong pumapasok na sa office and nagkakasabay-sabay yung mga sasakyan going in and out of or yung paggamit dun sa Bonnie Avenue, since that yung Bonnie Avenue is one of the busiest street. Another is that kung binabaha din daw po yung 𝐕 Street, hindi po binabaha ang 𝐕 Street. Yung Bonnie Avenue naman po, binaha po siya before, pero po naayos na po yung drainage system dun sa area. DMCI Homes is actually known for 60% open space and amenities, as well as resort-inspired ang amenities nito. 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences has a different theme, which is yung Japanese-inspired theme. So, I'll show you naman po yung artist illustrations ng amenities ng 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences. So just imagine, sa 17,082 square meters na land area ng 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences, 60% nito is open space and amenities. Yung open space na po yun, which includes yung sky patio, yung single-roaded corridors, as well as yung atrium levels ng buildings. So, meron pong 3 high-rise buildings, yung 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences, and ito yung Sugi, which is yung first building, si 𝐒𝐿, which is yung second building, and si 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐿, which is yung third building. We currently have promos for 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences. So if you are interested, I'll put on my contact details on the description box below, or if you know someone who will be interested or who's interested, please share this video to them. 𝐤𝐤 Garden Residences is not limited to outdoor amenities. So syempre meron din po siyang mga indoor amenities, which are yung audio-visual room, yung fitness gym, yung roof deck, and yung function room. So, itong mga indoor amenities na to, katulad nung audio-visual room, yung fitness gym, saka yung function room, madalas na question or inquiry sa akin dito is that kung meron bang bayad yung facilities na to. Of course, meron po siyang bayad kasi we need to maintain yung cleanliness dun sa, kunwari sa function room every time na magkakaroon po kayo ng event which is exclusive, kunwari for birthdays or any functions dun sa or any event dun sa function room, so kailangan po merong maglinis doon. So syempre po, hindi naman po pwede na isalin natin siya dun sa condo juice, which is hindi naman po lahat ng unit owners ay gumamit dun sa function room. And then another one is yung sa fitness gym, the same thing, meron din po siyang fee wherein you have to pay separately from the condo juice as well as yung audio-visual room. Siyempre meron po tayong mga roof deck and yung mga lounge area natin, those are free to use ng ating mga unit owners as well as yung mga friends or visitors nila. So meron dun sa roof deck na yun, which is actually present dun sa 3 buildings, yung cafeterias. Meron din po tayong ine-expect na co-working space. I'll show you yung picture ng one of our co-working space which is actually existing already in one of our project in Pasig, yung Lumiere Residences. So, another building features which is actually important for you to know is that yung CCTV cameras, yung full backup power, tapos meron din po tayong electrical perimeter fence which is mapapansin nila sa DMCI Homes projects is that it has a different portfolio from other developers wherein naka-gate po tayo and meron tayong perimeter walls. Sa iba naman pong developers, it's usually just open dun sa baba. Usually may mga malls sila. But then, sa DMCI Homes, meron po tayong mga convenience store or water refilling station as well as meron tayong mga commercial spaces katulad ng spa and coffee shop which is solely for the use of unit owners. Kasi nga po yung portfolio ng DMCI is exclusive residential condominium. And syempre meron din po tayong mga fire detection, alarms, and suppression system. I have mentioned that LumiVent technology is one of the unique features ng DMCI Homes. This is composed of the sky patios, yung atrium level, and single-loaded corridors. The advantage of that is that papasok at lalabas po yung natural air and light sa loob ng inyong buildings. Per unit po, individualize yung electric meter as well as yung water meter. Tapos meron din po tayong provision sa unit for telephone, for cable, as well as yung internet connection which is already fiber ready. So marami pong nagtatanong kung ano po yung provider ng internet sa DMCI Homes or sa 𝐤𝐺 Residences. Wala po tayong specific na provider. Pwede po kayong magpa-connect sa lahat ng networks. Last but not the least is that meron po tayong property management office. And yung property management office na to is the one who is responsible for the maintenance ng 𝐤𝐺 Residences. So meron po siyang mga roaming guards. Doon po tayo magbabayad ng ating mga condo dues. Tapos meron din po tayo, kung meron din po tayong mga complaints or request, via the property management office din po siya dinadaan. So they usually have an office dun sa basement 1 or a designated office dun sa 𝐤𝐺 Residences mismo. Another common question in regards the maintenance naman sa 𝐤𝐺 Residences is that since that mapapansin natin na marami siyang landscape gardens and marami pong napapatanong kung hindi ba nakakatakot yung ganitong klaseng feature wherein maganda siya sa mata pero baka daw po maraming lamok. So that's part already of the property management office roles wherein they usually do fogging system sa projects and most especially sa mga landscapes natin. Kasi nga po para po mas maging safe po ang ating environment not just for our kids but also for us. Marami rin pong nagtatanong kung halimbawa nakatira ka po sa Sugi building, are you allowed to go to another building to enjoy yung roof deck nila? Of course po, this is a shared amenity and we always develop yung healthy community between the unit owners. Actually, nagagawa po or nag-organize po si property management. Halimbawa, during November ng Halloween parties. Sa December naman, nagkakaroon din po ng activities and the likes. that was the actual construction site of 𝐾𝐬 Garden Residences. I took that video last March 2022 and sa ngayon, ongoing pa rin po yung construction ng 𝐾𝐬 Garden Residences. So once again, this is MC, your experienced realtor. Until next time.